about it. It seemed like we also needed to divert attention to some other problems, with obesity being linked to hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular, and bone and joint illnesses, that we just thought we could get some attention. It was meant to be in-house, but once the bloggers got it, it went international. So if we offended anyone, we're apologizing.
I de allra fattigaste delarna av Mississippi bor 11-åriga Martise. Han väger 110 kilo.
Hello. Good morning. Hi, I'm Lotta. Are you Martise? Hi Martise. Nice to meet you.
Martise övervikt har gjort honom rörelsehindrad. Hans ben har vuxit fel på grund av fetma.
Nej, stackars han. Nej.
It's like when you bow-legged. He been bow-legged ever since he was a baby. And then he done got so heavy, his leg sticks out, and plus, stopped the growth on his leg. He just recently had surgery, July the 23rd, where they put plates down there on each leg. That procedure was done so this growth can start up in his leg.
Det kan inte vara lätt för en 11-årig kille att vara både överviktig och sjuk.
Can he move around and play with friends?
He don't play. He just stay in the house. The only thing he do is like ride his bike. And now that he tore up his bike, he don't play it out.